I guess time for me to relax a little bit. I have downloaded something from somewhere and I totally forgot I still got it, and it's time to relax. It's evening and there's much fun to be had in installing things you've never seen before on a virtual machine, right? So zone. An E or a tab is something I'd like to press if it wants me to, if I can, but tab doesn't do anything here. Although it says press tab to edit additions, I can't seem to be able to edit anything. Let's do a Control R, which reboots the system and starts again. Voila. So Linux, Arch boot, VM Linux. So we're still on Arch. Okay, that's something I know because I really don't know. Zone, quiet splash, VT global, cursor default, log level number 2, RD system, D show, status false, log priorities. Wow, right? 5G of cow space, that's enough. And init RD kind of thing. AMD, Intel, init RAM file assembly. Wow. Escape. I'm stupid. And then tab. Another line, but this one is for NVIDIA, so it's gonna mod pro blacklist nouveau. You're out. And NVIDIA is in. Yeah. Nouveau mode set is 0. I915 is 1 and region is 1. So basically it's telling guy, use NVIDIA. Okay, I don't have NVIDIA. This is a virtual box. Let's have a look. So tab and E, remember those two things. You can always change these lines you've just seen. You can delete things, add things. It's just a search, an internet search away what kind of things you can add there. And here is, oops, something in Russian, I think. XFCE, cool, live user. Let's hope I don't have to put in a password. God, I really don't know. Ah, now I know. Yes, somebody had a game, and he said, "Look, I've created something because, and the style is one of a game. I don't know where. Sorry, but that you'll have to find again on the internet. But I do believe there was a nice wallpaper with it. So don't see any wallpapers here. So we'll go over it. But first, let this machine do its work. We are on 47. Okay, cool. And then next, we install NVIDIA. That's already installed by default. Select NVIDIA and all that. Seems that I recognize the order. It's okay, right? That's why we're here, to teach people how to create their own distro, their own ISO, not their distro, right? Because, well, you can, right? You can, but that's not the point. The point is give you knowledge. And what you do with it is up to you. Just an ISO, you, your friend, your mother, your father, or share it with the world. It's up to you. So we have this thing, we have X3 and beta FS. Maybe just do a swap to file. And then X4, X3, choose, right? Life is all about choosing all the time. And then log in automatically. I like to see what I'm greeted with. So this is on by default. Next, install, and here were some images of the game, some kind of game, you know. I'm such a gamer, so explore the zone, some kind of game. We could look on the internet what it looks like, but I really thought there were wallpapers. Let's have a look. So fonts do matter, right? Choices matter, and a font, you see it all around in titles everywhere. You'll have your choice coming back. So choose. There are a lot of fonts. NVIDIA is there. Okay, it's not gonna work since NVIDIA choice that we took in the beginning, right, says don't take NVIDIA because we're on Light MIC now, because we are on open source, not NVIDIA. But the application is there. U launcher, which is a nice little tool. Let's see if Firefox is there. Voila, Firefox, enter the U launcher, sudo pacman -s, U launcher, you got it. Not an ArcoLinux, Paru, yay, Tryzen, U launcher. Maybe you're wondering like me, what icons are these, right? Settings. So go to the, that's too long. Where are my settings? System installer. That's our system here. Ranger is here. Process viewer. Let's have a look what that is. HTOP, huh? No. X64 terminal and HTOP in there. Okay, that we have seen. Settings, appearance. Let's have a look. Cohere dark. Cohere dark. Yay. Cohere dark. Alright. In about 5 minutes time after this video, that particular icon theme will go, not, well, icon theme, GTK theme, KDE theme, JTK theme, icon theme, Well, anyway, it will go on the repo. It looks like a nice change to what we have. Or not a change, an addition, right? An addition. Icons, Papyrus Dark, Papyrus Light, fonts, source code Pro Medium, if you're wondering. And we can start again. Restart now is by default. Let's see if that is working. Something failed up there, but doesn't matter. He'll know what to do. The creator, look at the nice grub. Shut down, reboot, advanced, the zone. Let's go into the zone. I hope we get a nice wallpaper because a nice LightYM theme. Voila, nice wallpaper. Too bad the wallpapers something must have gone wrong, because I'm pretty sure he wants that to be into the zone. But we're on XFCE, maybe, just maybe. Voila, the zone, open. This was his intent, for sure, right? Into the game, into the zone, and now we see some images of the game. Voila. Close, nice, nice, looking good. It pleases me to see that there are so many people using the knowledge and the power that we give you with all these tutorials and all these videos, that you say, I'll just make a distribution in the look of my game, in the look, any idea, any what if, and you can create it into what you like. So software choices, right? It's always about choices. So colors, wallpapers, LightYM, SDM, graphics, View Newer, color picker. That was Genia, or was it something else? Yeah, Genia. Okay. The logo, the icon, I mean, gave that away. Internet. Okay, and the multimedia. There is something special. Don't know. Something about cards. Disk burning. Technical stuff for audio. Okay. Maybe somebody never knew that this exists. Retask the audio jacks for the HD sound driver. Doesn't ring a bell. If everything works, you don't keep looking on for other software. That's how it is. Quantum is there. Voila. A little overview. Let it inspire you, right? If you see this and you say, wow, I have also a game that I super like. I'm gonna do something like that. And it's the aspiration already that drives your passion and drives your knowledge on to learn more and more and more and more, until finally you say, wow, I have my own operating system. All right, guys, Have fun.